Welcome to the video. This video we're picking up where we left off in the last one. Check that out if you haven't. In the video we started off playing some tie breaks, and it was, well, what me and Sid were doing on this particular day was the best of 5 and tie breaks. So we had 3 tie breaks in the previous video, and Sid is up 2-1 at this point. So this is tie break number 4, and I needed to win this one to force a 5th tie break. There you go, Sid's just hammering my backhand, and fairly happy with how I held my ground there. Got a high one to his backhand and managed to, I wouldn't say that force an error, but getting a high ball to Sid's backhand is definitely better than to his forehand. And there just got lucky. 3-point mate. I think Sid just lost his focus on his return for maybe just a second. Damn, and that's just a bad shot. Like, I was on the defense, moving backwards, and I shouldn't really have swung that hard with an open racket face, but I did, and it went out. So both in technique. Oh gee, so Sid's so good at hitting that shot. Something I'm adding action replays now, so I think I timed my split step alright, but he just wrong footed me and hit that super short forehand cross angle. And Sid's just really good at that shot. So when he's hitting that shot, not a whole lot I can do. I just gotta not give him that short ball for him to attack in that way. Oh, but I managed to get him back right away. Got this short mid-court ball, moved up to attack it. I was a bit squeezed, but still managed to hit a pretty flat inside out. And it's very rare that I hit winners on Sid, so I'll take that. Got lucky again there, so that was a mid-court sitter for Sid, and just missed it. Good rally. Managed to just survive and play defense, and turn that to offense. So. Hate missing returns. I think I said that in the last video, but it's probably like the type of miss I hate the most is a returnable serve and then just missing it. Not sure what happened there. I think well, he went down inside in, super nice, good angle, but I also kind of stuffed up my split step timing, I think. So in this must win tiebreak, I have piled on a couple of errors, really, just hitting it slightly long, and that is really not ideal. I'm just kind of playing defense, and it's kind of neutral, and then I came to the net at a very sus kind of time, really. Like, that was not a good time because Sid was on balance, hit a super nice low shot, and it was just the wrong choice for me to come to the net there, on essentially what was match point in our best of 5. So there, Sid defeated me 7-5, and he won the overall tiebreak thing 3-1. Still had some time, so we decided to just play a super tiebreak to finish. And this is that. Oh man, so again Sid really opened up the court with that inside in forehand. And yeah, I just really gotta stop giving him that ball, like letting him. Oh, again, that one I essentially gave him a sitter again and he just missed the shot. So tactically, I'm giving Sid too many short balls.
Oh my god,
and I got lucky again there. Played everything right, got that approach shot, but my volley was just very cowardly is what I call it. Like, managed to wrong foot him though, so I'll take it. And yes, I saw Sid approaching the net, and it forced me to kind of have to go for it and try to hit a really good passing shot, and then I just squeeze myself and hit it in the net instead. So we've got a neutral rally going on. I'm trying to get it to Sid's backhand. He hit it short, but I can't really attack that ball with my backhand, so we just stayed neutral. But I managed to... I think where I won that point was when I hit that short angle on the backhand and forced kind of Sid to go on the defensive.
Come on.
A rare free point on my serve. Oh, another rare free point. So got a 5-2 lead, but if you've watched the previous tie breaks before, I've been here before. I think I had a lead in 2 of the last 3 tie breaks, and I lost them. So, sheesh. That one, I mean, right play, just poor execution. And then this is a recurring theme in my game at the moment, where as soon as I get some sort of buffer, so where this is like a tie break, you know, a couple point lead, or in matches where I'm like up a break or maybe up 2 breaks, I really loosen up and I almost act like I'm playing with house money, and then I go for lower percentages or I lose focus, and then I let the other person come back in. So here, like, Sid's again caught up to 5-5. Not a great return, but not a terrible one. Neutral point, I'll take that. And yeah, Sid really just, he's always trying to take the initiative and go on offense. Oh, and that's too good. Oh, that's too good. I think that landed like a ball in. Perfect lob.
Oh, no.
And that one, and this is another, just really dumb, really. Like, I thought it was going out, so I kind of lost tension, and then it friggin' just dropped into the corner, and then I wasn't really ready. So, not a good way of losing the point. And then I spread my backhand long. Just an unforced error there, and I'm in trouble now. I was up, what, 5-2, and then let Sid come back. A couple errors, now I'm down 8-6. Sid's at the net, putting pressure on me. Oh, look at that. What a shot. Over the back. Oh my goodness. And I should have let it drop a little. If I'm going for that shot, I think I need to let it drop a little bit more. But I just pushed it wide. So I'm down a couple of set points, I guess. It's a super tie break set. So my mindset here is just I needed to get the return in the court. Did not want to end the set on a missed return. And I'm mainly just playing through the middle, trying to stay consistent and just make Sid play a winner. But no, yeah, he drew me to the net with that short ball. So I mean, I'm okay with that. If he hits that backhand down the line, that he just missed it. But if he had made that, I'm kind of okay with losing those points. Where the other person has to hit like an amazing shot.
Unlucky.
And there, I think Sid might have been feeling the pressure a little bit, and suddenly back on serve in the tie break. And there I thought he had the lob, honestly, because I just went for the angle on the backhand, had very little pace on it, and Sid managed to get a rack into it. And I thought that was going in too. He shanked it and it was out by like maybe half a ball at the on the baseline. Sending my backhand cross court. And oh man, lucky there, unforced error, got the dub, but really good points, really fun tie break set, Sid. Appreciate you coming out. being on the channel, and looking forward to playing again next time. Thank you for watching. Cheers.